Okay, so all we need to do now is to create the table that will display all our categories. But before then, I want to add a little code right here. So header location colon category.php. Okay, so once we've added the category, it should take us to category.php, and we have a message equal to category added. Okay, so let's create that page. So I'm gonna make a save as on this page, so Ctrl Shift S, and I'm gonna call it category.php. Okay, so get rid of this and get rid of the form. This time around we should be getting a table. So first of all, I'm going to go with a div with a class of table responsive to be precise. Okay, so we add a table with a class of table, a class of table hover, table struct, table bordered, and the final one, table success. Okay, all right, so bootstrap classes again. Okay, so we're gonna have a t head, that's for the table head, tr, which will host in our th. So this is gonna be the category id, another th, category. Let's just go with title. Okay, so title. The next one, actually we're gonna display the next one based on a condition. Okay, so I'm gonna open my PHP tag, and so if role, that's the role variable that we have in our header file. If you remember, where did we have that role? Oh, that was where was it? In the profile page. Okay, so let's just head over to it. Profile.php. Actually, that should be the PHP. Okay, so we have the user class. You know what, let's just use the user class to get it. Okay, so let's say role is gonna be equal to user underscore obj for the user object, and we're gonna get role. Okay, so let's write a new statement. So if role is equal to admin, then I want to display the rest. Okay, so echo th, and we're gonna add an action, and probably add a call span equal to 2. Okay, so let's try that out and see if it works. So back to our creative administration panel. So let's try that out and see if it works. So click on that, and that's okay. So we're seeing the action because I'm logged in and I have the role of an admin. Okay, so what if a user that is logged in is an editor? Then the person will only be able to see the category ID and the category title, but won't be able to see the action. Okay, probably we should just add the class to it. So class text center. Okay, so that should center the text for us. All right, so after that, let's create our t body. Okay, so this t body is gonna have a query, actually not a query, so cat underscore obj for our category obj, and let's say get cat, let's just say get admin cat. Okay, because we're gonna be writing another function to get the categories for the front page. Okay, and don't forget to open my PHP tag and close it right there. and if we run this we should get an error, but we're gonna fix that in the next lecture. Okay, so I'll see you then.